Hey, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Life. We're in the process of building a sauna in our backyard, and I ordered a few things from Northwood Sauna on Amazon, and we're just gonna do a little unboxing and have a look at what you get in the box. Now, I come from a rich Scandinavian heritage. My mom is from Finland, and here are some pictures of her sauna in Heikkilä, Finland. That's near Kuusamo. It is a smoke sauna. I even remember using it as a kid. Now, my husband and I went back to Finland recently and stayed with my cousin in a place called Sastamala. Now, that's not too far from Tampere. She has two saunas, a wood-burning sauna and an electric sauna. Let me tell you, after enjoying our sauna experience and how good we felt for days after, it spurred us on to build our own here in Canada. Now, ours will be an electric sauna. I can't wait to be able to use it. In Finland, the big box stores have aisles of sauna accessories. Of course they do. Everyone has a sauna. Unfortunately, here in Canada, we are at the mercy of the internet to buy accessories, but I did find these on Amazon, so let's have a look. Now, I did quite a bit of research and I was impressed by the products of Northwood Sauna. I did buy these through Amazon and I'll add the links below. They do have a website as well if you want to buy directly from the company itself. Now, this is the red cedar sauna bucket and ladle set. You can also order it in pine, but personally, I really liked the darker color of the cedar. That's going to match our sauna the best. Now, this is the 1 gallon bucket. You can also order it in a 1.6 gallon size on their website. It's almost double the price though, but they are so beautifully made. Now, they're actually handmade using real Canadian red cedar. The bucket and the ladle are meticulously sanded for perfectly smooth edges, and the wood is treated so that it resists cracking and decay. Now, that card offers you details on caring for your sauna accessories so they last a long time. Now, inside the bucket, you'll find a removable liner made from recycled plastic for easy cleaning. I just love the look of this wood. Now, this strapping, I want to point out, is actually nailed on. It's so well made. I'm really impressed. All right, let's have a look at the thermometer and hygrometer. These are also handmade from Canadian red cedar, or you can also get them in Finnish pine wood. Now, on the left, you'll find the thermostat displaying both Fahrenheit and Celsius, and on the right is the hygrometer, or the hygrothermograph, which displays relative humidity. Both of these instruments come pre-calibrated and can be easily recalibrated if needed using the enclosed instructions. Northwood Sauna offers free shipping across the US and Canada. You can purchase their sauna accessories either individually, or you can grab the complete accessory set, which honestly isn't a bad option either. Now, all of their accessories are available in either Canadian red cedar or Finnish pine. If you're looking for well-made quality sauna accessories, be sure to check out the links I've added in the description below. Now, I've been really impressed with the quality from Northwood Sauna, and I'm excited to start using these in our new sauna, which should be ready in the next few weeks. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tinagirl Life, and ring that bell. I'll be giving you a full tour once the sauna is finished, and you'll get to see these accessories in their new home. Thanks so much for watching Tinagirl Life. Here are a few more videos you might enjoy watching next.